Welcome to my channel. In this video, you can enjoy beautiful hand embroidery design and crochet. Hand embroidery offers a range of physical, mental, and emotional benefits, making it a rewarding and enjoyable craft to pursue. Crochet hand embroidery is a beautiful and intricate art form that has been practiced for centuries. Designs are often floral or geometric, and they are typically worked in bright, cheerful colors. Crochet embroidery is often used to decorate clothing, lines, and other household items. So, if you are interested in learning how to do custom embroidery by hand, there are many resources available online and in libraries. Yeah, here are a few tips to get you started. Choose a simple design to start with. Once you have mastered the basics, you can move on to more complex design. Number second, high quality materials. The type of fabric and thread you use will make a big difference in the finished product. Take your time. Embroidery is a slow process, but it is worth it to take your time and do it right. Be patient. It takes time and practice to become a skilled embroiderer. Don't get discouraged if your first few attempts are not perfect. With a little practice, you can learn to create beautiful and unique piece of handmade crochet embroidery. Enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Enjoy this